Good afternoon, students. This is J. Bhimaraju. So today we are discussing elastic constants. Topic elastic constants in engineering mechanics. This subject is in your third semester of second year. So this is this class for supply students. This class for supply students who have engineering mechanics as a backlog subject. So today we are discussing elastic constants. So how many elastic constants? We have four elastic constants. So elastic constants, that is one is the Poisson's ratio. So Poisson's ratio denoted letter is mu. Poisson's ratio denoted letter is mu or 1 by m. So Poisson's ratio is nothing but the formula of Poisson's ratio equal to, this is the first elastic constant, and the Poisson's ratio is nothing but the lateral strain by linear strain. Okay, so this Poisson's ratio define. So the Poisson's ratio is nothing but the ratio of lateral strain by linear strain. Is called Poisson's ratio. The denoted letter of Poisson's ratio is mu. The definition of Poisson's ratio is nothing but the ratio of lateral strain by linear strain. Okay, so this is the Poisson's ratio. Okay, the very important the letter and definition and formula. The formula is lateral strain by linear strain. In this formula you have a definition also. So by is nothing but the ratio between the lateral strain by linear strain is called as a Poisson's ratio. And the second elastic constant is modulus of rigidity. So this modulus of rigidity denoted letter is nothing but so denoted letter can be denoted by N, capital N, or C, capital C, or G. Okay, you can use any one of these. You can use either N, capital C, capital G. So these three are the denoted letters for modulus of rigidity. And the modulus of rigidity formula is N equal to shear stress by shear strain. This is the formula. The ratio between the modulus of rigidity is nothing but the ratio between shear stress by shear strain is called as a Poisson modulus of rigidity. The ratio between shear stress by shear strain is called as a Poisson modulus of rigidity. The modulus of rigidity denoted by N, C, or G. And let me remember that from these Poisson's ratio, the formula of lateral strain equal to so strain is nothing but change in dimensions by virginal dimensions. When a beam acting under a given load, the beam can change its if loads are in compression sense, so it can be changes its length. So the loads are in tensile strength, the dimension changes about diameter. So lateral strain equal to nothing but change in dimensions by virginal dimensions. But lateral strain is nothing but except length, all dimensions, all changes in dimensions are in nothing but a lateral strain except length. So change in diameter by virginal diameter is nothing but a lateral strain, and change in thickness by virginal thickness is nothing but a lateral strain. So any one of these are correct. Change in diameter by virginal diameter, or change in breadth by virginal breadth. So these all are under a lateral strain formulas, under coming a lateral strain formulas. But linear strain. So linear strain, the other name of linear strain is nothing but longitudinal strain. Longitudinal strain. The other name of linear strain equal to the other name of longitudinal strain. So the longitudinal strain is nothing but only change in length by virginal length is nothing but a longitudinal strain. Only change in length by virginal length is nothing but a longitudinal strain. So, but except thickness or diameter or breadth or height, these all are not coming under a longitudinal strain. The only change in length by virginal length is nothing but a longitudinal strain. Change in length by virginal length is nothing but a longitudinal strain. So strain is nothing but change in dimensions by virginal dimensions. So change in nothing but denoted as a letter delta, and length equal to L, and virginal length equal to L, delta L by L. So this is about Poisson's ratio. This is about Poisson's ratio, and this is about modulus of rigidity, shear stress by shear strain. And the third elastic constant is bulk modulus. The third elastic constant is bulk modulus. Bulk modulus. So bulk modulus denoted letter is K. Bulk modulus denoted letter is K, denoted by K, letter K, capital K. Okay. So the bulk modulus K equal to direct stresses by volumetric stresses. Direct stresses by volumetric strain. Direct stress by volumetric strain. So direct stress is stress denoted letter sigma. Volumetric strain equal to change in volume by virginal value. So this is nothing but a strain. Strain denoted letter is small e, and V is nothing but volumetric. So change volumetric of strain. Change in volumetric so volumetric strain EV, and the stress is nothing but a sigma. So K equal to sigma by EV. This is the formula for bulk modulus. So the only letter bulk modulus denoted by a letter K. The only letter only K. But for bulk modulus of rigidity we have a 3 letters. So you can use any one of these, either capital N or C or G. So this is the formula for bulk modulus. Bulk modulus. So here, therefore, EV equal to delta E by 1 plus 2 mu, 1 minus 2 mu. This is the formula for volumetric strain. Volumetric strain, delta by E equal to 1 minus 2 mu. This is the formula for volumetric strain. Okay, this is the bulk modulus. And the another is last elastic constant is modulus of elasticity. Modulus of elasticity. So modulus of elasticity, the other name is Young's modulus. So you already know the Young's modulus denoted letter is capital E. Capital E. Okay. The formula of Young's modulus equal to stress by strain. Stress by strain. So stress equal to load by area, and strain equal to delta L by L, change in length by virginal length. So PL by A delta L. Okay. So another formula coming from this formula, the another formula you can splitting this formula, you can get another formula, that is change in length. Change in length equal to delta L equal to PL by A. This is also a very, very important formula. PL by A. Change in length equal to PL by A. So the units of modulus of elasticity is Newton per mm square. Newton per mm square in SI units. And the bulk modulus also units are in Newton per mm square. And the modulus of rigidity is also in Newton per mm square. Newton per mm square. Okay. So this is the elastic constants. The 4 elastic constant, that is E, Young's modulus, and N, modulus of rigidity, and K, bulk modulus, and mu, Poisson's ratio, and mu, Poisson's ratio. And for 5 marks question in part C, one question on this particular topic. There is two questions are coming in your final exam on this topic. Find elastic constants. Find elastic constants. So about the question find elastic constants, you can understand relation between elastic constants also. That is relation between elastic constants. Relation between elastic constants. These are the very important for your 5 marks question that is coming in part C. So that the first elastic constant is E equal to 2n into 1 plus mu. So these formulas are very important. So this is useful, very useful while you are doing your problem. While doing in your problem. So the Young's modulus, relation between elastic constants. Elastic constants is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elastic constants. The relation between Young's modulus and modulus of rigidity and Poisson's ratio equal to E equal to 2n 1 plus mu is the formula. And the second, these questions, these formulas are very important for your ESET exam also, ESET competitive exam also. So mostly two questions are two objective questions, two descriptive objective questions are coming in your ESET exam from engineering mechanics. So this is E equal to 2n 1 plus mu is the first elastic constant relation, and the second elastic constant relation, the relation between E, n and k. So this is the relation between E, n and mu. So this is the relation between E, n and k. So the formula is E equal to 9kn by 3k plus n. 9kn by 3k plus n. So this is a very important formula, this and this one. So E equal to, E is nothing but Young's modulus, K equal to nothing but bulk modulus, N equal to modulus of rigidity, and K equal to bulk modulus and N equal to modulus of rigidity. So this is the relation between E, N and K. And the last relation between elastic constants are the relation between E, K and mu. E, K and mu. So this is the E, N mu, this is the E, N, K, and this is the E, K, mu. This is E denoted for Young's modulus and K denoted for bulk modulus, mu denoted for Poisson's ratio. So the formula is E equal to 3k 1 plus 2 mu. This is the formula. E equal to 3k 1 plus 2 mu. Okay. And in this video we discussed elastic constants. That is 4 elastic constants. So these are the 4 elastic constants and its formulas. And next the relation between elastic constants, these are the relation between elastic constants. These 4 are the relation between elastic constants. Okay. So in next class we discussed one problem on these formulas. Mostly coming in your final exam. This is a 5 marks question. This is a 5 marks question. You must read these formulas and by heart these particularly and frequently. Thank you.